Are you struggling with a corrupted Outlook PST file? Unable to access your important emails or attachments? Don't worry, today I'll show you a simple and effective solution using the vMail Outlook PST file repair and converter tool. Let's see how it works step by step. PST files can get corrupted due to several reasons like system crashes, virus attacks, large file sizes, or improper shutdowns. When this happens, Outlook may stop working properly, and your data can become inaccessible. But with the right tool, you can recover everything. The vMail PST Repair tool is a powerful software designed to repair damaged PST files and recover all mailbox items. It allows you to restore emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and more without any data loss. It also supports conversion into multiple file formats. First, download and install the software. Once installed, open the tool and click on Continue to proceed. Now click on the Browse button to select your corrupted PST file. If you don't know the file location, you can use the Find option to search for PST files automatically. After selecting the file, click on Scan. The software will analyze the PST file and begin the repair process. This may take a few minutes depending on the file size. Once scanning is complete, you can preview all recovered data. You'll be able to see emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments before saving them. This ensures everything is recovered correctly. Now select the folders or items you want to export. You can either choose the entire mailbox or only specific data. Next, choose the format in which you want to save your data. The tool supports multiple formats like PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, PDF, HTML, and vCard. Finally, click on the Save button. You can also directly migrate your recovered data to Office 365 or other platforms if needed. Let's quickly look at some key features. Repairs highly corrupted PST files. Supports large file sizes. Maintains original folder structure. Preview before saving. No data lost during recovery. Compatible with all Outlook versions. The demo version allows you to preview all recovered data and save a limited number of items per folder. To unlock full features, you can upgrade to the licensed version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And check the link in the description to download the software. Thanks